Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you just delete or deactivate your Snapchat account permanently. So how can you deactivate your Snapchat account for a long time of period or for permanent time of period? So Snapchat doesn't give you an option to delete your account directly. It's quite difficult to find that option of deleting your account in Snapchat. So just be on the video, watch till the end, and I will show you that how can we deactivate our account on Snapchat. So the first step is to go on your Snapchat here, and you don't have to go anywhere in your setting or anywhere in your account setting. You just have to click on the left top of screen called your icon here. After that, click on the right top of screen called the setting button here. Click there, scroll to the down little, and you will see an option called I need help. Just click on that option here and let it be open. It will take 3 or 4 seconds to be loaded here. Let it just open here. You can see there is a lot of setting. The first is using Snapchat, the second is I lost my snap streak, and you can see on the 6th there is managing my account option. Click on this, and when you click on it, you will be demanded for delete or reactivate my account here. So you just have to click on the second option here, and from there you can just delete your account permanently in one click. I don't click it right now because I don't want to delete my account, so you can just delete your account here. If this video helped you a lot, then please subscribe the channel. We will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Thank you so much for watching this.